Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back, tuning in to the Street Youth TV. Ready again is another epic video. This one, we're gonna bake a Jamaican potato pudding, and I'm right here to kick it off. So remember, like, share, and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up whenever you watch that video. Share the video with your friends and family. I'm right here. I'm gonna kick it off like a ball. Street youth, do it youth, beat them like a beetroot. I'm here. Follow me. Kitchen. Alright. This is my sweet potato. I have my scraper. I was using my scraper, but it's tear apart, so I'm just using a knife for now. So call this one cocoa. So we use this in the pudding to give it a little body, right? So it mixed with the potato, so we're gonna grate both of them. The sweet potato, and this one is cocoa. In different countries, people call it different name. Just like the potato, different countries, people call it different name. But we in Jamaica, this is sweet potato, and this is cocoa. Alright? So, let's go. Yeah, so, viewers and subscribers, so you can see we already finished peel these stuff. Yeah, sweet potato, Jamaican sweet potato, American call it yam. So here we go, and here is the cocoa. So we have all these stuff already peeled. So we're ready to peel. We're ready to grate them now. And here's my grater right here. So time to grater. No, lay. Right here. Remember, we're making Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Alright? And you're gonna see all the ingredients, what we have and what we use in it. So just stick around. And if you're watching that far, give the video a like, share and subscribe. Please, don't only watch the video and don't give me a subscription. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up, please and thanks. So yeah, viewer and subscriber, my coconut ready to grate now. I'm gonna blend the coconut because I just finished grating my. You see this right here? It's my sweet potato right here. Yep. So otherwise known as yam. American call it yam. So you follow me, you on the right track. Like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so I got this is my dry coconut. I just cut them up to use them in the blender because I'm not gonna grate. I don't have the time for that right now. So, but I'm taking it right through step by step. So, street youth, beat youth, beat them like a beetroot. Alright, so get in there. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, you can see we're gonna use a little flour in it. So we have a little flour right here. So we get it in our strainer to get it refined, no lump. Alright. Yep, so after using my flour, I have a little cornmeal. So I'm gonna add a little meal to that. So I'm supposed to measure these stuff, but I'm a pro. I know what I'm doing. So it's not like somebody who don't know exactly what they're doing. This is something I've been through over and over and over till I get accustomed to this stuff, right? So follow me. Like, share, and subscribe. And please give the video a thumbs up. I will really appreciate it. Thank you guys. So here I'm sieving my meal just to get everything refined. So that is it. So I got my wet product here and I have my dry product right here. So I'm gonna put all the spice in the dry one and all the liquid spice in this one. So I got them together. So this is my vanilla right here, and it's Jamaican vanilla right here. So put that one in the wet product. I got my almond extra. That's also a spice flavor. I'm gonna grate some nutmeg now. So there you go. That's my nutmeg and grating right here. My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to part 2 of the Jamaican potato pudding. And we're gonna make sure you have the finishing product in a little while. So if you never watched part 1, go and watch part 1 of the video and come back to part 2. So this is part 2 of the Jamaican potato pudding. So we have the oven preheating. So this is the product gonna go into the baking tin for the Jamaican pudding. So like, share and subscribe. Street Youth TV. Street Youth. Do it youth. Beat them like a beetroot. I'm here to finish up this Jamaican potato pudding. Part 2. Alright. So here we go. Here's my baking tin right here. So this is exactly what we're doing right here. My preheat oven right here. As you can see. Here I go. Here we go. Alright, viewers and subscribers, that's basically my pudding is in the oven. But, I put it like 400 degree, but I'm gonna reduce it back to 350. 400 is just like for preheat and boosts up the heat a little faster, but I'm gonna drop it right back to 350 and let it run for basically hour and a half. Yep, hour and a half should be good. So please like, share and subscribe. And this is part 2 of the Jamaican potato pudding. There you got it. I'm right here. Give the video a thumbs up, please. If you watch this video that far, please give the video a like and share it for me, please. I'm right here with you, viewers and subscribers. My viewers and subscribers, just like, share and subscribe. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, Street Youth TV. Just do it. Give the video a thumbs up, okay? I really appreciate you guys. Appreciate you guys sticking out with me, right? My viewers and subscribers, just letting you know this. I'm a vegan. I don't eat no meat. I don't consume meat. None at all. I don't drink milk. I don't eat eggs. I don't use butter. I just do my stuff natural, right? So that's how I do my stuff. No meat. I don't consume meat. None at all. Right? I'm a vegan. I try. You know, sometimes you cannot get away from stuff, but I try. I just trying to go the right way, do the right thing. Right? Yeah. So that's basically my stuff, and I don't know if you guys ever know about spirulina. Here you go. Check it out. To make good drinks. If you want to make green juice and stuff, this is good for your green juice. This is a spirulina, okay? So it's nice to make green juice. It's make beautiful juice. It's probably not the best taste, but it's good. The result is good, okay? Alright. So I'm here with you. Here we go, viewers and subscribers. Here's the potato pudding coming out. It don't ready as yet, but I'm just giving you a little update on it. Here we go. Was just a little remainder leaving this stuff. I didn't want to overflow the pan, so I just put something in this and just put the remainder in this little pan right here. So our potato pudding is still on the way. It's done complete as yet, viewers. So still in the oven. Please like, share and subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you reach that far in the video. Please and thanks. I love you people. Without you it wouldn't possible. Alright? Yeah. I think this pudding is ready. Give this video a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Yep. This is what the Jamaican potato pudding look like. Here we go. And this is it, the finished product. As you can see it. This is Jamaican potato pudding. Here we got it, viewers and subscribers. That's the finished product. And remember, this is part 2, so go and get this video. Give it a like, thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. And if you reach that far in the video, just give it a like. Please and thanks. And remember, it's street youth, do it youth. Beat them like a beetroot. This one is so cute. And it's the truth.